So I'll record it.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon all. So shall we start with ASA construction? Okay, it is ASA criteria. That is 2 angles and the included side is given. How to construct a triangle. Just wait. Take your compass, ruler, etc. Now listen. Yes. So now write the heading ASA criteria. ASA criterion. ASA criterion. ASA criterion. ASA criterion. Construction of triangle. Construction of a triangle when 2 angles and included side is given. Construction of a triangle when 2 angles and included side is given. Write down one question based on that. Construct triangle XYZ triangle XYZ. Construct triangle XYZ if it is given that, if it's given that xy is equal to 6 centimeter, xy is equal to 6 centimeter, angle ZXY is equal to 30 degree, and angle XYZ equals 100 degree. So we have to construct it. 2 angles and 1 included side is given. Just see, construct triangle XYZ if it's given that XY is equal to 6 centimeter, angle ZXY is 30 degree and angle XYZ is 100 degree. Okay. We can draw a rough figure first. First, you know which one we have to draw. Only one line is given, isn't it? On that, we have to erect 2 angles. So first, we will draw the line given. It is XY 6 centimeters. So we will draw that XY. Now, on the left side, at X, we have to construct, see, middle letter represents the angle, 30 degree. At X, we have to construct 30 degree. Now at Y, this is Y. Middle letter represents 100 degree. So at Y, we have to represent a 100 degree. It will go like this. It's a rough figure, okay? It's a rough figure, 100 degree. So it's a rough figure, you have to draw. Rough figure. You can use a scale to draw the rough figure, no problem. Or rough hand you can draw. So you got an idea how the picture will be, isn't it? How the construction will be. Now let us construct. Did you write the question, all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, last class we done when two sides and included angle, right?
Yes. This is two angles and included side. Okay. Here, let us see how to draw it. So first we have to draw a line that is 6 centimeter, xy 6 centimeter. So let us draw xy 6 centimeter. Take your scale and draw xy 6 centimeter. You have drawn xy 6 centimeter. Mark it. First, immediately after you draw, you have to mark it. xy 6 centimeter. After that, construct 30° and 100°. Actually, it is compass construction. You know how to construct 60°? 60°, 30° can be constructed by constructing 60° and taking its half. That is bisecting 60°. So let us see how to do that. Or at least one construction you have to do with compass. Okay, it is compass construction. So one angle you draw with, you do with compass, then the other 100° you can take in protractor. No problem. So take the compass. Now keep it here. We are going to draw 30°. Okay. So
Ma'am, in
what-
exams also we can take one in protractor.
I'll tell you. You have learned in 6th standard construction of 60°, 30° and 120°. Okay. Construction of 30°, 90°, and 120°. So these constructions you have to
Using
use
compass.
Compass. Remaining you can take protractor. Okay. Yes. Now
Ma'am, this what radius we have to take?
any radius. Take any radius. We are first drawing 60°, then bisecting it. Okay. So we take, we keep it here. We take any radius. Just cut an arc.
Ma'am, that is 2.3.
That is 2 point. You can take any radius, no problem. Okay. Take any radius. Now I am going to draw 60° first. Then I will bisect it. Now it is, I'm going to draw 60°, just to see. I'll keep the needle point here. Take the compass and I will, with the same radius, I'm cutting an arc here. Cut an arc here. So that is 60°. Okay. That is 60°.
Ma'am, second arc how will be cut?
Wait. So second arc, actually what you have to do is keep the needle point here. I'll tell you with the, I'll use pen and tell you. After that you do it. If you see in this, it will not be clear. Just what you have to do is keep the needle point here, your compass. Then cut one arc here. And then next you keep the needle point here to cut another arc here. Okay. Then bisect, just join.
Ma'am, not that
Ma'am,
second
same
arc, right? You
radius,
draw.
right?
Second arc you are asking.
Yeah, ma'am, how will take?
I'll tell you. That I'll show you. Now, if I erase, this will go. Okay.
Ma'am,
Second arc.
second arc also same radius, right?
Same radius. Second arc also same radius. Okay. Let us see how the second arc is drawn. First one you understood, no? Like this. Now keep the, for second arc, you just keep the needle point over here. This one, here, okay. And with the same radius, see, the needle point is here. Just cut an arc with this compass, that's all. Same thing, cut an arc. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
In
ma'am.
this, listen, there is a change. In this, you will see it is laying down. But actually, when you do, it is up. Your needle point, when you catch the compass, it will be like this. And you are drawing. Okay. That's all. Now you got 60 degree. Now you have to bisect this and
Ma'am, your voice is
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Ma'am, now we can't hear you.
No, ma'am, stuck now.
He's stuck.
I'm left. Mom's connection good. Mom's connection. Hello, ma'am. Hello. Ma'am. Ma'am.
hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll continue with the board which we were doing. Did you understand how I have drawn the bisector?
Yes.
Huh? No.
Yes, ma'am.
I have told you, keep it here, cut an arc. Take another color. I have shown you how to draw. Just keep this compass at this point, cut this arc, any arc, okay. And keep it here and another arc. So it will cut at this point. Through this point, take the scale and just join. That will be 30 degree. That will be 30 degree.
Will you draw it one more time?
You want me to draw one more time? What happened?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We can.
This is 30 degree. Okay. You got 30 degree. Better
can
than
I
that,
draw
you do
again?
one thing. You can take protractor and measure 30 degree and draw a ray. Clear? That will be better. It takes time when I explain in this. If you can draw, it is good. You can draw this
Ma'am,
30 degree. Yes.
ma'am, from the center arc we should draw.
I'll tell you once more. I'll explain how to draw. I'll take once more. Anyway, connectivity problem was there. That's why we also lost the connectivity. So we can just do it once more. Okay. For the question, first you have to draw a line. Yeah. First we will draw.
Ma'am, I got 29, 30 like that.
We'll see. What? 29, 30?
Ma'am, I got the correct measure.
Measurement.
Yes.
Ma'am, I also got the correct measure.
I got the correct measure.
What are you saying? Correct measurement? Just to simply join both.
No,
That's
ma'am, we got 30 centimeter.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
30 centimeter and
Rule
100 also.
is 6 centimeter. You will get XY 6 centimeter. You draw, then you can XY. Okay. Then take protractor. Sorry. Take the compass. You are going to draw 60 degree first, then bisect it. Okay, so that is what we are going to do. Take 60° and bisect. We'll take any radius as you like. Keep the needle point here. Okay, keep the needle point here. I'm taking 2.6 only as radius. Now you have to cut an arc. We'll just simply cut an arc like this.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Nelvin is raising hand.
So cut an arc like this. Then you do one thing. You just bring the needle point with the same radius. Just move the needle point to this point and then bring the cut an arc over the next point. Same with the same radius. Okay, keep the needle point here and cut an arc. Then after that, now this is 60°. Through that, if you the point you draw, it will be 60°. Now we are going to bisect. For that, we have to take more than half of the arc length. Just increase the arc length of this. Then keep the needle point here. Here at this point where it is cutting together, cut an arc.
And we can take any measure.
Any measure you, not any measure, more than half of it. That's what. Any measure you take, cut an arc from this and then bring this to this point, and then cut another arc. Okay, you will get the middle
And that
point.
means when we are taking radius, it should,
Yeah.
if it is 6, it should be more than 3.
Yeah, more than half. Okay, then you can join. Now it will be 30°. Okay, if you want, you can rub unnecessary curves. You, so many scratches are there, you can remove. Now take the scale, place it here. Just join. That angle will be 30°.
Yes, ma'am.
Now just draw this 30°. Okay. Now remove the scale. You got 30° here. Now 100°. It is we can use the protractor and do. No problem. We can take the protractor.
Ma'am, I did.
Yes, very good. I'll tell you how to do it. Wait. 100°. We can take the protractor now. Keep it here and the middle point. Bring one of this. You bring here. So it is at the baseline. See the baseline. You know where to keep the protractor, isn't it? Should be
Yes,
coinciding with the baseline. Now 100° from where you have to take from the left side, isn't it? From
Yes.
my left side. So 100°, it will come like this. 100
From
degree.
our right side. No,
This here.
from
here,
our left side.
From your left side. So there is 100°. So then you remove this one. This one you can. Then join it with a scale.
And a protractor, can you say again? I didn't understand.
Protractor, just keep the protractor here. So see from where you have to take 100° from this point. Okay, so where the angle will come in this way only, that is from left to right. So take the protractor, keep it in this middle point, which should coincide with that point. Clear now? Now from here, this needle point was here. From 0 you calculate 0, 10, 100°. Take 100°. 100°. Put a point over there. There is 100°. Now remove the protractor from there and then you can join from Y. Take a scale and join. Scale. Take the scale. You can join. From
from the
Y.
point we have to find 100.
100. See, from Y. Okay, from Y, that is 100 degree. From Y, it is 100 degree. Yeah. Now join. So where the lines meet together, there you can mark what is X, Y, Z. This is Z. That point is Z. This is 100 degree. Understood? This is a simple way. At least one angle you have to do with the compass. That is, this is compass construction. Okay, so whatever angle you have studied, you have to draw with compass. 30 degree, 90 degree also you can draw with compass, and 60 degree also you can draw, 120 degree also you can draw with compass. Did you understand? So only this, draw the baseline, take each angle on both sides, draw the ray, wherever it meets, that will be the third point. Is it clear? I'll give you one more question.
So for every question we have to find 100 degree.
Degree will be given in the question, what degree it is. I'll give you another question, just check. See, can I rub this?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give another question, I'll give, do it and show me. Now, write the question. Question is this. Construct triangle ABC given. Construct triangle ABC given. Given angle A is equal to 60 degree. A is equal to 60 degree. B is equal to 30 degree. Angle B is equal to 30 degree. AB is equal to 5.8. AB equals 5.8 centimeters. AB is equal to 5.8 centimeters. Do it yourself. 60 degree you construct, 30 degree you can measure and draw. Using protractor. 30 degree you draw with protractor, 60 degree you have to construct.
Ma'am, when we can construct 60 degree, from there we can construct 30
Yes,
also,
but
right?
it is on the other side. Both sides you have to draw.
Okay, ma'am.
You can
Power fail.
Go, ma'am.
Did you get, children? Have anybody finished?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
There was network issue, that's what. So just show me your answer. Yes, Hessa. Okay. Okay, Hessa, show me. 1 minute, it is. Johann is see. Yeah, somebody else is see. I will just take good to you. Yeah. Show me. Okay. Hessa, it is, okay, correct. 30 degree and 60 degree you have drawn, no? So 30 degree
Yes.
you took in protractor. Okay, correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rudra, it is correct. Rudra, show me once more. Where is the arc? Ah, okay, correct. No problem. Correct.
Ma'am.
Gate current.
Network issue.
Ma'am.
Okay. It is fluctuating. The connectivity problem is coming in between. Whoever have finished, just show it. Okay, Lakshmi, it is. Lakshmi, did you join the third side? The second side, did you join? It's not seen. A, B, C, you have to join, no? Did you join? Did you get the triangle? Join it. Okay. Ishal is correct. Okay, no problem, correct. Then who else is showing? Yes, yes. Tanmay, 30 degrees this side. Okay, correct. Correct. Parvati, okay, correct. Correct. Then Gauri, 60 degree. Yes, correct. 30 degree. Okay. Then what about others? Uma, Parvati, Anusha, Parthiv, Arjun. Switch on the videos. Mizia, the attendance. I'm going to take attendance. Wait. So anybody, Amal, what is the problem, Amal? Switch on the video. Amal,
Ma'am,
My
it
video.
is on, but
My
we can't
video is
see
on.
that.
switch on. Okay, Parvati. Yes, correct. Correct. Parvati, it is correct. Then next is Amal. Switch on the video. I can't see. I'm not getting any feedback.
Ma'am, my video is on.
But I can't see you showing the paper. Yes, Uma, it is correct.
Amala on and off one more time, then it should be okay.
Yes, just show me your whatever you have done. Sri Ram, 60 degree, 30 degree. Okay. Mark the sides and measurements. You have to write it. Okay. Measurements. All the measurements you have to write. Okay, I'll take attendance. Others, do it first. Yes, today, two maths. Sri Ram is present. Adityan is present.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Abhinand Krishna.
Present, ma'am.
Abhinav Bijoy.
Present, ma'am.
Abhinav PA. Absent. Abhinav Ahmad Afin. Absent. Albert Jojo. Absent. Amal, what about video? If it is not on, I can't do anything. Allow to multi-pin. What is it? Start video. Start the video. You have not started the video. That's why I cannot see you. Ask to start the video. It is given here. Just start the video, Amal.
Ma'am, now it is on.
Yes.
Yes.
Where?
Yes, now it is on.
Yes, I saw now. Yes, Amal, switch on the video. Show me what you have drawn.
Ma'am,
What
I am
about
drawing. I am
Angelia?
drawing.
Angelia? No. Okay. Amal Anthony, present. I won't give attendance if the video is not on.
Ma'am, now my
Amna.
video is on.
Yes, yes. Amal,
Yes.
Amna Shirin? Where is she?
She's present, ma'am.
Yes, yes, I saw. Anan Hajid is present. Angelia Biju, absent. Absent. Anthony Babu, absent. Anusha Latish is present, no? Yes. Arjun MR is present. Ayan is present. Ayan. Benedict, he was asking to take attendance. Benedict is present. Misiad was asking to take attendance. Benedict absent. Carlin present.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Dilla present. Emlina absent. Ishal is present. Gauri is present. Gokul Krishna absent. Hessa present. Isa present. Johain present. Krishna Kripa is also present. Malavika is present, no?
Yes.
Yes. Milan is present. Miziad is present. Who is this? And Nelvin K. Anub. Yes.
Present.
Lakshmi, okay. Parthiv.
Present, ma'am.
Present. Parvati is present. Prajita is present. Pranavatmak is present. Absent. Okay. Rudra Sunil.
Present.
Present. Shifana. Absent. Shifana today. Absent.
Shifana absent.
Absent. Shreya baby.
Present, ma'am.
Present.
Present.
Srihari.
Absent.
Absent. Tanmay is present. Okay, Gogul is present. Tanmay. Gogul Krishna present. Tanmay is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Uma is present. Vaishnav Suresh.
Vaishnav absent.
Absent. Gauri Shankari.
Present.
Present. Where is she, Gauri? Okay. So, see you later. Today, one more construction only we have to study. After that, this chapter is over. Bye. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.